show you the WIX owner app. Some of the stuff you need to know. So you just go to the Play Store and search for WIX owner. This one right here, website builder. So once you install it, I think you'll be logged out. So you need to use that whatever Gmail you have used to sign up. So this is the dashboard. This is where you will land, maybe with some pop-ups and promos. This is orders. If you have a store, your products on your website, you can see these stores up. So for the WIX Studio mobile app, that one is for agencies. So for you'll be using the WIX owner. So we have the stores. You can manage people who have bought items from you, all that stuff. And then we have coupons. You can send people coupons. You can create blog posts to help with search engine optimization. We have forms to collect leads and other information from clients, from customers. We have subscriptions, which is very important. So under subscriptions, you notice currently I'm the only subscriber with the copper plan. And then once I tap that user, you can see their last purchase. You can also see you can also send them an email to remind them to pay or something like that. So we have events that I was telling you about, whereby you can create an event and people can register on your website and buy tickets through your website, and you earn a commission on those tickets. Even WIX takes a small fee for processing the tickets. So we have pricing plans. So these pricing plans, they are the ones that are going to be used for packages. So subscriptions is someone who has subscribed to a pricing plan. So we have the pricing plans. They are the copper, the gold, silver, diamond, and then the subscriptions are the people who have subscribed to the pricing plan. So we have marketing for sending emails, for creating social media posts. You send emails, you can create videos from here. You can send them direct. You can even run the email, Facebook and Instagram ads from this app. Okay, so a lot of good stuff in this app. We have contact. Now contacts is where you find all the members that have joined the site. So far we have these people. The first one I think is just from the WIX to go through the website and see if there is an issue. That's not one of our users. I think the second one might be someone who signed up. So you can even message these contacts. You can tap on the last option here, message contact, and then you can start chatting with this website visitor. And by the way, this messenger thing here, it will be showing you if someone is on the website. It can show you which page they are visiting, and even show you how much time they have spent on this page. So that's contacts. And then we have payments. We have people who have successfully paid. You can manage their info. For example, you can manage their pricing plans. You notice you can also refund them, and we can also see the payment method that they used, the card, if they have a card on their wallet. So in this case, this guy pay in person, offline payment. Okay, so that's payment part, which is very important. And the invoice, you can create invoice and send it to a client or anyone. We have payment links. Someone can pay through a link. You can charge multiple clients at once. Share links on social media via email. We look at that sometime. So this is price codes. almost like invoices. And you have proposals, also something like price quotes and invoices. Then we have these two programs. So this is where the points come in, the loyalty program and the referral program. So the loyalty program is the one that gives points for every dollar someone spends. So in this case, this person has 100 points so far. And you can also manage the program right here. Like points, you can give someone points. And you can notice we have how to earn points. If someone signs up, they get 30 points. If someone purchases a product, 1 point for every dollar they spend. And if you have tickets, someone buys a ticket, same thing, 1 point for every dollar they spend. You can set this up and say maybe they get 10 points for every dollar. So this is where the edit button comes in here. So you can edit here and say maybe 10 points for every dollar. Okay. And then if someone orders a plan, 1 point for every dollar they spend. This is an upgrade plan to earn more. And if someone buys another plan, they get more points. Okay. Okay, so that's the loyalty program. And then we have the referral program. Okay. Now, the referral program is where someone will have a link that they can share with their friends. And once they use the link, you can see the referral traffic here. And you can also see the other person is referrals. And you can see the reflection of all the data here. So also the users will be able to see some of their data for referral in their dashboard once they log in. Okay, so the rest of this is you can even customize what you see on the dashboard. For example, if you want to see unique visitors, we want to see page views, and we want to see payments, successful payments, and maybe the blog views, we want to see those, and we also want to see refunds. We also want to see items sold, not customers, bookings maybe, and subscriptions. Okay, click on done. Okay. Yeah, now we have more analytics to see. We have total sales, total orders, new subscriptions, unique visitors, page views, successful payments, post views, refunds, items sold. We see all that here. So you can see what's going on in the website right here in real time. Okay, we have all the contacts below here to manage them, and then we can see our product. We have one product now. It's called Mother Cell Box. Okay, and we can also see the most viewed items if you have many products in your store. And we have payments, how many payments have been made. So everything is here: invoices, proposals, subscriptions, loyalty points. People who have loyalty points, you can see them right here. The PV points. Okay, so I think that's a quick overview of the WIX owner app that you can use to manage your website anywhere, whether you are in the country or on a vacation. And we have activity. I think these are posts. Either way, you can create posts and submit them to the WIX Discover so they can be seen worldwide. So the last button here is the manage button, but basically contains all the buttons that we have already seen from the home. So from the home page, you can also go to manage if you don't see those buttons from the home page. Come here and look for whatever you want: getting paid, event sales, blog marketing, where you can create social media posts, emails, analytics, where you can see sales overview, insights, real-time analytics. Under settings, you can manage your payment info, how to accept your payments, manage roles, adding admins to your website. Just tap on collaborators to add someone to your website to manage. So far we have 2 people, and I think that's it for the quick overview. So from the plus button you can add things like this add button. You can add things like a blog post, you can add an invoice, you can add email, you can also add a social media post. That's the add button. And what I was telling you earlier, you can also see live visitors. As you can see, we have 2 live visitors right now, and you can see which page they are visiting. So this is another website. Okay, this is another website, but that's how the app works. So if you have multiple websites, you can switch between them. Anyway, so that's it with the WIX, with the introduction to the WIX owner app. Let me know if you have any questions.